What I mean by creative shots is the use of something unique like an underwater or drone shot. The great thing is your iPhone comes with two standard awesome features: slow-mo function and time-lapse function. Let's start with the slow motion. The slow motion option is one swipe further left on your iPhone's photo app. In this mode, the camera can film at 240 frames a second. This is ideal for anything that involves action or water. The faster it moves, the better it will look in slow motion. Remember, you will only need a short moment, so don't film for too long, because once it's slow, it's even longer. Another swipe to the left takes you to the time-lapse function. Time-lapse is almost the opposite to slow motion. It speeds up time. For a time-lapse to work properly, the camera needs to be completely still or mounted in a fixed position. You need to leave the camera rolling here for a few minutes to get the effect right. Time-lapses work best when you capture movement contrast. Try and find something that is moving in contrast to something that is not, like clouds passing a mountain, or cars passing an intersection. The trick with these types of creative shots is not to overuse them. Use one or two in each of your videos for them to stand out as a reason to go and watch the video again.
We've helped hundreds of people who have never made a video before capture their memories and turn them into shareable content they were actually proud to share with their friends and family. This video is part of our online video course called Effortless Editing. We teach you to film so that editing videos becomes easier. Effortless Editing is now available on YouTube for free. Subscribe to our channel to keep getting more video clips like this every week. You can also get immediate full access and extra resources, as well as support this channel by purchasing this course on our website. That's travelvids.tv.